Well, as we look outside right now, still a little bit of lingering daylight. The sun's already set. And now the question is, are we going to see the northern lights? What is not in question is it's cold outside. If you are going to be out and about for any reason, make sure you bundle up. That includes the scarf, the hat, the gloves. Least winds aren't an issue. Winds are very light out of the west right now at 3 miles per hour, 19 degrees. We had a morning low of 15 degrees. And temperatures after that morning low only managed to climb into the low to mid 20s. High cloudiness, Arctic air holding temperatures down. And again, since then, temperatures have dropped back into the upper teens. Now, this has certainly been a very cold MLK Day, but we've had worse. We've had worse recently. The coldest MLK Day was only a couple of years ago, 2024, morning low of -4 with an afternoon high of 10. And last year we had a morning low of 2 with an afternoon high of 22 degrees. High clouds that kind of help keep things even colder today have slipped off to the south. These will continue to push out of the area. The Arctic cold front continues to push into the deep south, with the focus for this Arctic air now pushing east across the Great Lakes and toward the northeast. High pressure that helped to deliver the cold is going to be pushing east overnight tonight. And we're going to be on the warmer side of that high on Tuesday. In fact, the warming process begins tonight. We've already got westerly winds, and temperatures, they're going to bottom out this evening, and then as winds start to pick up out of the southwest after midnight, that will help to blow some of this cold air out, and we'll start to stir up the air. So I think temperatures are actually climbing before sunrise. And then tomorrow with the southwest winds and sunshine, we're looking pretty good as we get into the afternoon. But another cold front will arrive early Wednesday. Here's our hour-by-hour forecast. Again, clouds moving out. Clear skies, cold overnight tonight. A little bit of cloudiness moving through skies to the north. It looks like for the most part, though, Tuesday is going to be a sunny day across the area. And then overnight Tuesday night, watch for clouds to move north as that next cold front arrives. And it looks like some rain's going to break out here across northern Arkansas into south central Missouri before it gets quickly swept off to the east. And then we're back to sunny skies on Wednesday. Looking at temperatures, about 14 for an overnight low. Highs tomorrow in the 40s to near 50. It looks like about 47 for high in Springfield, but it will come with breezy southwest winds. On Wednesday, because of that early day cold front, we are going to find temperatures kind of holding steady. Looks like 40s north to low 50s south, and then chillier on Thursday with seasonable temperatures with readings in the low to mid 40s north of the state line and mid to upper 40s south of the state line. And then here comes the next winter attack. And this is going to be a big one. This is probably going to be our coldest air mass so far this winter season. And something we've not seen this winter season is upper level energy coming out of the southwestern U.S. We may find that with this wave of cold, and that means winter weather may break out. But at this stage, we're unsure of the storm track. That would impact snow chances and amounts. We're also unsure of how the Arctic air will impact snow because very dry air can limit amounts. What we are sure of is this is going to be a dangerous round of cold with very, very cold overnight lows and afternoon highs below freezing for several days in a row. Bailey?
All right. Thank you, Jamie.